And so
We heard you yelling help and hello.
yeah, and it was like, help, help, like we have we have 3 people and a dog, and then we have a whole other family, and then we have 2 people like in another house, so we're just trying to get
How many other people do you know of are still in there trying to get help?
that we know of. There's only 3 families right now, but we're trying to figure out if there's old people, because there's a bunch of old Jews, but so we're just trying to see.
Well, there's an Orthodox synagogue not far from here, so this neighborhood is predominantly Jewish, right? And so, has your neighborhood flooded before? Tax Day, Memorial Day?
Memorial Day, and that was about 12, 14 inches, and this is the most, and it's up to my hips, so.
So where do you go?
What do you mean?
From here, where are you going?
Oh, my sister's apartment, which is over there by Walmart, or friend's house in Memorial, because it's far, far away from here.
Well, I'm glad you're okay.
Thank you.
Sorry you had a rough night. I'm glad that you were able to get off.
Only 2 hours of sleep, and we're ready to go. Let's do this.
Well, good luck to you.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Before she
Let
leaves,
them get on their way.
I want to ask you a quick question.
Before
Does she
you
know
leave-
that she could make it to her friends, or that they're okay? Because other areas are flooded out too.
We're hearing that there's some areas in Memorial that may be flooded out too. Have you heard your friends are okay?
My friends have said there's only been a little bit, but not as much as over here, because we're closer to a huge bayou, I guess you could say.
Right.
My phone actually died, so I haven't talked to them for an hour and a half, but I hope they're safe.
Yeah.
But it's about like 2 to 6 inches, not